Man, this just isn't my night.
Jester, the way you play, it's never your night. Hey, Gunner, you're not doing too bad. What's your secret?
I don't know. Guess someone up there likes me.
Gentlemen, place your bets.
Last roll, dogs. We just caught a mission.
Well, I'm done.
All in.
What are you trying to do, Gunner? Die broke?
No, Jess. Die rich.
No more bets.
Yes! That's how you do it, boys. Thanks, dawg. Take 50 for yourself.
Thank you, sir.
Unbelievable.
Gunner, look at your roll.
Yeah, so?
So, we're about to go on a mission and you roll aces and eights? Everyone knows aces and eights is the dead man's hand.
Ah.
Okay. I hope you like harp music.